Alright, y'all. Got our bracket loose. Alright, we got to bang this off, dog, so I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. We knocked that T25 into the safety screw. And bam. Got it to come out. Alright, y'all. Let's finish this job. And as well, you might have to sand some of this rust down off the surface so it can finish flat now. Yeah, y'all, we're back for a minute. I'm fighting with this rotor for real, y'all. It's almost off, y'all. And back. Alright, y'all, we got it off. Oh, we got the parking brake, all that dirt and debris. Alright, y'all, let's get this cleaned up. Be right back. Alright, y'all, be back for a minute. This was holding it on, y'all. Y'all see all that rust down there? That was what was holding it on, y'all. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we all get this cleaned up. Alright, y'all, I got this all scrubbed and cleaned and stuff. We're gonna apply some.